first book, story 18 on unity. Unity is very powerful. It's seeing the universe as one, designed by the one who created us all. It's not saying that we all have to be the same. We don't try to make everyone look, think, or act alike, but we can find common ground. We can find a way to meet everyone's needs together. A way to resolve conflict. O my God, unite the hearts of thy servants, and reveal to them thy great purpose. May they follow thy commandments and abide in thy law. Help them, O God, in their endeavor, and grant them strength to serve thee. O God, leave them not to themselves, but guide their steps by the light of thy knowledge, and cheer their hearts by thy love. Verily, thou art their helper and their Lord. This is a story about Abdu'l-Baha titled Arab Visitors. Many people came to see Abdu'l-Baha. Some of the people were rich or important. Some were poor. Once, a group of English people who were on holiday knocked at his door. Abdu'l-Baha welcomed them all. One day, an Arab gentleman came to the house. A little while later, another Arab gentleman arrived. When they saw each other, they became angry because they did not like each other. Abdu'l-Baha told them funny stories, and they began to laugh. He also told them serious stories, and they listened thoughtfully. My home is the home of peace, said Abdu'l-Baha. My home is the home of joy and delight. My home is the home of laughter. Whoever enters through the portals of this home must go out with gladsome heart. He told them to embrace one another, and he fetched sweets and 2 silk handkerchiefs to give them. Is it not much better to be friends than enemies? He asked them. It seems God directed our steps to your home this morning, they said, as they left the house, the best of friends. So not only ourselves seeing the world as united, but maybe helping others to become as not united as well. Be kind to all peoples, care for every person, do all ye can to purify the hearts and minds of men. Strive ye to gladden every soul. Story 18 about unity.